aburu so the brothers I had also no mom pinche hu ye on pinche hu ye no hwe de ekoso e da de akoso na ya bibia ho yese obenu no ada ate ne kankan edi wada quickly okwa na mse o are we there menti ase but now ayi kakraka bi hama kakraka bi da nche so you are thinking say eye ebia gwofo ya omu akwa blocky road but proud to that rather kwofo akwa blocky road no ese de akoso no ene de ye nyina ye nimsem na de akoso de tan ade we pa de sometimes no yeah me di one reho ade ba ko pa de me catch mu plane ye plane fa me di MPP for one reho pa ye say interchange we say ko ba me kan che so mbe wie in this set type of community problem ba me reho na ni pa mpe no kre say bra excellence mu be catch so mbe wie that's the stipulated time no sa mre no ne fancy pa ye mu bi de man ye ne anija ne ani age no ha akomu ya ade wi anka nya afi na obi so oba be reduce no obi ba be ye the way initial plan no kra o se what 30 kilometers ni bi or the year other route say be ya route no eno be ya accessible na the initial plan for this road has been changed yasesa no ana minister so abechechem de ti ono so ye ne sa enti se to aso try se ba be se to aso 9 be to aso 2 ana 3 teso ka o ye ni yanko ani man tena na sa na twero sem ne kan eri ya na em ya se especially me hu se the Ashanti region MPs no more no Ashanti region MP kokos na ho no so mu ye press conference ma me kan no krepam free makoma mu che say me hu so mu ye press conference so I mean touch do na eya me arako che bibia me ni pampa no kre na ma arako se ke ye ni say ya ye ni say ya Akye Abia be dru ba bia ye dru na na ye Abia be dru ba bia dru no ye ni ya Akye Abia be dru ba bia dru na na
Sompa FM
ba ye dru sa abane sa ayi nwum obo si na abane sa mu fanyame ana iso amina mo fa ba akoro de na o mu blocky road mo fa don to so meba we so ansa meba we so mo fa de on blocky road de to so mo fa de on blocky road no ento so you see and that's so am interchange ani e twe ne sere ne abasa yenhu de aban so ba be also abekasa ho a nse omo site die abom mama yenki awia no no enso adi da bia mitimi ko pake wo ho anu ma hwa am oh that we say high route aha ne fa oduru sam runabout first ne also amin ehwa ndie ne na bom ponimpu na ye kwanya ma fe ye de kra de ye ni ehu de ye kra they say abehwa you overseas ahonso wa na ye faba kwa da bia ye faba timi wo sa say oh papa nanka kuruwa we pa de kamanin free aso ati so me mazifo ni wu owo mo te sa area ho ni na ala no radio mo so mo ntiase o be protest eti o fa so am post office kwan so a post office area ho na nrom de tire guo no mo hihye if I don't buy papa it's a round go for any site obiam omu ko so man kan hwe ya nkyerɛn and you see deep dust dust mfuturo yi ma se de twamin te se omom te mazi area ho de obi atie ne ya ka 2022 ya ye announce yi say ka traffic e nyina ye nim so I've been run about choke atwini do fa one hwe obedumja betre. One of the key industrial hub ya ho ha Ghana ha so me at the 2023 they won say oh eniji aba. In fact we were all happy. So oh send ya contractors the buy new machines. Oh my machines ya go no ma for us there di there
Sompa FM
already yes na oh there no befa ya there no befa ara o se na me dey say no ya ye te kwan so de enim ba there no befa there dey fine eh na akwato abanese aban na free so one of the things about so am for Ashanti region Lucy pa we ka ho me ka kire butemu ni mu a ana no obi abeka kire say MPs ni de omu no manage ekwan ya de dem fichire ho Gabi MPs ni de o manage kwan ya de dem fichire ho asebu ezo ba here ready ya me asebia di body o asebia di body me say like joke so I reach about the be seen there I buy from so buy them say oh ya di akwa mo ma ya redesigning bibia foforo I don't cry MPC ya moto ama ya hwe han ma me hu hwe no masa atwema no se bo ntiase makọ press conference mo de tie na mo sem baye no mo so mate so mo de da mate so ne penisa mo famre they say baby adrum futuro kunkofo futuro ha twen mo de abrose eto aso for ne ekosi na mo se mo anya ansi biem mo be se abrose ato aso 3 at least e benya baby ada is okay ya penisa anom so 2026 ano so epum ni ekowura yi o chese contractors na free site kra ba bi o mafa kra yenhu kare kra no mu patch kakra na me anyage do kwase be wom se contractor no bosi agbagba ahye kwan na se kra no nya sika nkotua na akanto se wa ba bibi fufuro bia ho rango fo no now no for the Christmas that be a huge project like this ya banding way and ye ententeno akwan we cannot do politics with Swami roundabout. We cannot do this with Swami interchange. We cannot. Yet we MPP and DC somewhere collectively MPs are moso kakra mo Ashanti region NDC MPs kakra mo Ashanti region sama hwa mo ma anye wei said ye so no sa na owia be enei na no me sorry am betwisi MPs a mo Ashanti region so say omuni any moral right to talk about Swami roundabout. They should shut up. Mo dia mo so mo ntra on anya mo de na konfo boni se kro bebo a otimu bi wati anya hwe na ban ba wa mai ye MPs ni bi eye ministers interior ni ade Dada Franka mo akohene we say na go atwa to TikTok ni discuss it. Some say TikTok and I say social media is the way to go. Now we try to Facebook ni discuss it. These are things we want to seek. Development there. A bar na me honhom na ba o. Eno de oya mma me kra I will tell you the truth. Oya me papa oya me yira me no da kra I will tell you the truth. Kwa no card no na mo ni MPP ka ni NDC ka. Ye nyina ye nyina ye shock absorber say a ye come azia ye je ye bo pe what dawa be say dawa be say dawa ana be say na mo so dia montena hodom na mo kan che his excellency say okay na mo ka che his excellency say on we ho flyer ana mo ka che his excellency say mo ye panicho mo me ye kwan yi mayen na mo dia montena ho montena ho NDC Ashanti Regional MPs they say mo na mo ka bi ewom because MPP caucus MP so more parliament o ma feli yen wo so am interchange o ma feli poto edu a kura so mde ompe mfichira akwan what na mo de amonso montena ho mo nyina mo besene koye mo ka mehumo mo nyina mo be fa ho fa akwa aso ase fa akọ ba bia mbefa mo amunini mo ho dada mo so montena ho 2026 ni 27 after 27 wa anya hwe ya there's a ade na agegu ko big push ya ba bia ko video do tim se kasi go mu ye dwuma gidigidi na de na ye de ai it's excellent it's scaneta I love the way he said it scaneta as ye de so be asre NDC MP caucus amowo Ashanti region mo for manuntum also mo ko president wa mo ko ka chense ye nua mo bon ye nua mo feli ye o mo bon ye tan also am interchange ye mpese bi beto yen his excellency ka chere governance na say so say no say be emergency no so am de ne de ye wo contractor dada ye hia so say e emergency omumra me ye omumma papa niska say wo say mo ye review whatever you have to do mo nya ne ntem ye de ni ma say ya mean so we begged you his excellency ye pamocho ade we de mo so mo ya de manu afefa ho abototes engineers na contractors na free site ana ma rewa kanyen to omudiye so mu demonstrate one of democracy the way to express your grievances and to demonstrate this say bia mo say ejapade and the yen so na ye wa hin no akose ahin and so far
Sompa
almost a property bia what they did was right mo frem kwan kan beginam ba mama time no kan beginam big what industrial pa ba kono no na se ebijama na yesa na etimi nyama ne yesa ti asa his excellency John Dramani Mahama odo wanu abefa ho minister abeka che say my redesign enti yesra mo de mo aye na mo famra na yen sha ase why de mo aye na eye mo de design na wo de yepe because omo so omo mpe no man twa hu MPs na omo Ashanti o man twa hu te e wo so am run about o man twa hu afi de mo se mo mpe yepe mo famra efuturo ni kunko for too much mo mpe but amonya mo mpe 10 years kra na da ho yepe mo famra na mo so mo fama no me fa ye ho saa na mo so mo ye dusting powder e wo ye to ho na mo nko na nyanya kra de me bufu kra kwa me say o dia open no ent ma anya o say
de na o mo ankasa
so o open kra dru e bia 70% 50% combat government market so mo ye
bi o mo si o mo pankasa no o mo ye de
o dia na pen na e da ho no
ya o mo very o mo fi say tete politics na o mo ye na o mo fi say Ghana for
mompe den
you know nti otwamu ano ba be
say
ama we
o masa
agro ne wo
baby adru de kwa me ye beje
agro ne wo mo
beje ne sa because
agro ne wo mo ni so
the way futuro ku go for
ompe de
yi yebesi uso a
oza na no na meti adongo se
yebesi uso a
sika ye
kehye homa
yemfanye sa so am interchange no yesi sika na fa baby
ana mama ma yem fa nsem kra megu akra ye di bra bere wo so am interchange woda mfanya amanyo sem na montena ho mfanya amanyo sem na montena ho say a kwani bebre ya block no ade no so stand still. What is this? Ade akra ni ade no so stand still. Between one minute and tianra amachi babra dru ho no hu say traffic no see form no ko video ye na we mame ncha engineer Dennis, my very good friend engineer Dennis. I say me couple no I pen ko ya ma honhom na pejama ko dru esere so krobi wo atwa me je friend esere so na sadia no mo ye na etutu no. A lot of people are sending message e busa say again na esi nkofo bi na akobubu no mesra mo enyo mo ya demonstration nyo bu na akobubu no mo go mo hu aseba ya mo nyai ka mo ambo titi other radio so am ka say demonstrators no the idea ne say Ghana water for main line ba ko kese pa kwa bo say no line ne titi
yes
omo divert ye ejo we a ho no na omo ye no ana omo de ayanwa ne bitumi kakra ko gu so na ho anye ne ye enti asenke abuagum what did me che ase monfa no mra monfa no mra munyi so amen monfa ayidemra abuagum ejejo mo ya demonstration akose no adwuma bin adwuma ta kwadwubin kwadwota adwuma omko e na abuagum ana ese omuni o but mame mo engineers na baso say quickly omo ne contractor ne kasa so onya fast because e ho no kura mu e da say na ba bia sa ko buagum quickly engineers na fra contractor say onya fast no me because Kwame o ma hwe kura ka bi kwa akusem pipe no kura big na sa pipe no pressure and speed at the ban and then nka bibi be si be two cars na free baby to with immediate effect way without any protocol way so bonkwaye emfiri ho Ghana they say the so daddy so for monkoye emfiri ho na mu ya ba be defend go so Apa kwa me ba chia
Sompa FM
me jozo
opom ti say
oba de adaroma me ho ye me ba so na nso e
oba de adom me ho ye pa
da tweri ampo nyankopon na se da nyame ase papa ifie ye
eve boko na kwan me kwan na enye
kwan na de ya asemo nyame ti ase bibia be fine di ka kire ya yi president de no munye so na o me kwan no ma
me ne tam kura
we dey
ha de o munye so kwan epe
we dey agency pa so I run about see o munye so na Ghana ni die ni
ho bi ti contractor dada
Kwame o contractor dada o say
rango for ne ho
di o ma se adwuma se
na o many skill be dey adwuma
ndi any contractor because o contractor wa na ti say wa resource ni so mra me adwuma
o dey be say ne contract ndi obeje
Kwame na wo gina wo nya na kire say contract no wo na aye
na gina ni skill
na oni
ekofo ndo o ma block kwan ne pa
ye be to cross aba bi twa contract ni mu dia ma di pa foforo ada ye krom ha nya ha ya na yeti ana
ntwa contract mu za wo
Kwame
the trial bit median say oh yeah auditing
Kwame
auditing do di we contract the bed pa foforo
Kwame we fi se kroma o mutimi
judgment debt down
we fi se kroma o mutimi bibia
eno die
yes
eno die
Kwame anyways mame emphasize da ma de obo yen send ode enkwa hodin ewu mari a che yen mi wi nso an madase na fi madaya tifo nso ase anopa yin so se wo mo atuni no fi mutie no mo hwe yen anopa ye do mo asepa ye ni so na Kwame mame nchia mi kru mu fo Kwame danso fo anopa ye mu tie me pa o mu tie me na me nka nchi obo se ebra so se yes say I do say we are so particular with a certain political party say ho any belong to e dey atwa ya furuma say eno ani eno ndi ye hu omo so mfaso ye nye omo so mfaso wo mu nya hwe kra na na yɛse still a ɛhɔ ne yɛto yɛde kɔ sɛ wɔn nkɔfoɔ a yɛbɛto ama wɔn sɛ wɔn nkɔ gyina yɛn nan mu ndi yɛnim yɛ kandifoɔ wɔn nkɔ primpum tuo mfa mmerɛ yɛn wɔ Sene West District Kwame Danso to be precise na sɛ still a yɛhu wɔn so mfa so a I think we still have a lot of time ahead of us to psych ourselves and change our mindset. Say, and we are saying, baby, it's not about NDC, NPP, it's not about politics, but it's about development. Why in the world links, why in the bit we are connected to the connected ones, no pim pum to Ediaba. Because we have the likes, your first time MPs, John Dumelo made to me the nature and poor, Said Mubarak of Sunyane East made to me the nature and poor, Edem Agbana made to me the nature and poor, or my first time as A plus made to me the nature and poor, or my first time as a pre development, and they call my constituency a hold on. Tis Ufri Sene West or take Kwame Danso na what to about Bayer de Wahoni na still and Pumtu a year Jones of Bakra say a new effect was Sene West Kwame Danso. I think it's time we have to change the way we think, the way we approach things.
Now, Kwame Danso, I want to Sene West.
But you are Sene West.
When pinning someone you
Kwame Miami Bra.
And someone on MP.
Now me say we are up here. Me shall say me be champion is our course. Me be friend my me be say ne ba Kwame ampo fu chumesi. Ne ba Kwame ampo fu chumesi. Vaso ben wa nya wono so. Kwame. Asem ni bi wo Kwame. Etumi pia wa na video na say atia faso. Na atia faso. Nya hwe.
Won kan che mo MP ni say. Onim de ti amekasa M1 say oda so MP o enye MPP NDC system but onu anim
yes
onu anim de ti amekasa per the records I have and I'm de kasa I'm not talking because say omato abama na no
I understand that
but so per the records I have no
I know
I know asema me pesa mekan
Kwame I know
enti onyo ni nyome na
Kwame I know
o bo na say tetagu
Kwame I know
o dey work say we call the second term and third
share the second year term
the third term
what share
onwen say ni say nko MP yes
Kwame
and more mami mien kra term
16 years
ebe na mabu no onye what is right
yes
onye the needful
yes
ebe na mabu no Sene West
Kwame Danso
Sene oti abruche no bai
hani
Sene o abruche
ari no abruche obeni
make be
obeni no abruche
me one address nyina
oh yes no
me one address
ani obeni
mon kasa nchira
obeni
mon kasa nchira
ani
ahia tu na ka o enjoy
obeni
ayo o dey abedi
Sompa FM
di Rachia Kwame Danso fu jira na fi so Kwame you know seminum so I'm right about I think I am long overdue the people of Asanteman I was here sorry I was Asanteman sorry said you want me kai no we dey nya Ghana for mun sorry o we Asanteman mun sorry o Asanteman mun sorry o na politics na edem faso ebra manfo politics na epeja cities ahodo politics na yede ye akwan de ye development ahodo no Asanteman die ase abo Asanteman too much ane ye wo binum ewo mia ahodo ye omo predie but Kwame ye nimpa se Asanteman epeja ne ho se ya or defining who is going to be the president of the republic. Say Asanteman a kind of who say ya or defining which party will rule the country. I don't think Asanteman got the power to make and or make any political party. So Asanteman kind of who and now Ghana phone in our budget so because of the numbers Asante region Equator. And the new one say your map politics. Ekatayani, a new one say your case, your wumi to me. A new one say your case, ye di me fruma. new kwan say ye matetin community nsem no ekos what na ye musa there be because we are no evolve adetie bia na ma foforo na eba adetie bia no you experiencing new things. It is high time was say ye shase ye adjust ye home to the new system na fe ye adapt it na ye tumi move it to the line now. I did the development we want in Ashanti region and even all parts of Ghana. Ye to me enya. And yes sir, near Koswa say ye NPP ni NDC sem. Near Koswa near yes a higher stronghold, la. Kwame, ye be die dokono kwa. Ye be die dokono kwa. Fufuo no be ready, but obi be hwe nkwan na gu. Tijisi asan kwa akopɛ nkwan foforo baby e de ba be di foforo no. Kwame e basa taste na ekuta wan ka de ba be di abiare no. Taste no be di kan kra ira. Ntu be di a wo de abememfe na fe de wo di ba be di. No appetite. It is because you just want to get satisfied. No appetite to it. That's it.
Sompa FM.
High time and hard time. Ye mpisa hodo no mo wo Ashanti region no. Ye mo mu hunu no mo ti ase say Kwame wo mu bo zero wo mu mo number. It is high time ye mo mu hunu say you are not there because of NPP. You are there because of your constituents. You are there because of the people who voted for you. You are there because the people gave you power to go and represent them. You are not there because of NPP or any party, but you are there because of the people. The young shasiye, ni enjoy politics semno, na fe young connected, ni enwe kwen be ni NDC for no mukuta a power no, ye ni ombe to me connect relate na development a ye peno, woman de ba Asante region. Kwame se wo kopie o constituency na ka kire omo say ani NDC na woso but through me lobbying na me connections na me link ntino abaya die tumu aba be ye kwan abaya die tumu aba be bie factory as much as say aban no enya praise no wonso wo pagya wudini say wo connections ne wo link e na aboa manaba because yet say ane Ghana MPP ni NDC politics ni dear him there. But then we still have NPs womu ye opposition womu ye development e free abamu e ko mukrum. How do they do that? Let's ask ourselves this question. How do they do that? Because yet okuje to no opposition by damn no ye bie ya ese ye no. Oh, he got himself connected and near ma who do was onya e de ko de krum no onya de koye. How did he do that? Into one so say opposition na Kwame wo betumi aye. Jai politics no. Jai politics na modi akata moni ase say asantini dia wuntumi nkodom NDC asantini dia say jai politics no na wunu say asantini dia so kaso opewe a onim kwan obefa so onya obetumi connect ne ho yie o wani ade no ba bia wo so odi ani edi wura no de bewura no onya de wo so onya no no de aba. We cannot continue to be a party people, party faithfuls, party foot soldiers. Me wanso na empumtuo ne nkan kwa ye pe no na ye nya. We cannot continue to do that. Yentumi nkoswa anyesa. Now to the Ashanti regional minister. Oh, bra, Kwame, what's on me channel?
Oh yes.
Oh yes, me channel. Bra, oh boy, yes. Yes, you are connecting people. Yes, we social media so ne wo vibe kuta wo so e dey connect a man for and mabuno no you are recruiting them. If the NPP doesn't know, I'm telling them this morning. Ashanti Regional Minister Dr. Frank Amwako is recruiting the next generation to love, to like, to be in bed with the NDC. But bra, me fro bra because say we me nua bra yɛmfa saa nneɛma yi bia yɛmfa connect nneɛmpa saa major issues na affect Ashanti region no yɛmfa mpempum tuo mmra me sure sɛ wo opposition no wonim so ame interchange ho asɛm so ame kwan wonim ho asɛm wo opposition no wate ho nkɔmmɔ wahu sɛdeɛ ɛsitie. Use that connection, use that vibe, use that social media to say a
Sompa
lot
FM.
about Swami Interchange. Let them know the history. Let them know the effect of Swami Interchange on the Ashanti economy. Dr. Frank Abwakohene, ma timemufoɔ Ghanafoɔ ne aban ehunu nsunsuanso a Swami Interchange na anwe ne nsen asekyere ne nsen a NPP foɔ de bɔ mo safo hene sɛ yɛbɛyɛ ansa na yɛfiri aba mu mantumi anya no yusu saa wo vibe ne kuta wo neyi fa yɛ no mo hunu sɛ yes you are a social media guy but you are doing a lot, you are bringing development and yes ade oyɛ die bra akoye said the optics na wo koso eyo the optics na oguso a wo ye so am interchange maninya wo project say nke bia in the next 2 years na mani nsi wani so na tu sa na mo no o yes a na ebetumi ahu say social media no so bamfaso e de ma Ashanti region. O ya the sign ye behunu say wo social media vibe ne kuta wo hodom no wo de connect it, wo de link it, wo de bring it development to Ashanti region, not just recruiting people to love NDC, not just recruiting people to be in bed with NDC, not just letting the party look appealing and appeasing to people, but wo de mpumtu eba eno na ye hia eno na ye pe and no na Ashanti asanteman ehwehwe and no na otumfo ani beje ho na nya saade a to me there well menyanya bibia de but to me there oh yes see ade fine e maburu na ni gi e mamanfo e pewasem but say Ashanti nankasa no edim pumtu ne ba na menya hu ye. So I mean interchange should be your biggest challenge and I'm challenging you, say so what link what's our connection now Fabra Beye I so I'm interchange. I am challenging you today, I am daring you today on Sompa TV, Sompa FM. Say Frank Amwakohene, as youthful as you are, as vibrant as you are, as energetic as you are, no fire Swami Interchange kawabaso bo ne pa santifo be pewa asem ne nya de kuma fire sa utu anamo sie so me yenhu sa anamo we na utu carry the people of Ashanti along, let them know what you are doing. Yeah, social media na tete so kakra nso nya all of the time tete so and strategically obi a okwan ofaso approach nyoma de but tete so kakra. Let the works be visible. Let the works be more visible to the people. Let the people love you per development how they ever Ashanti region. Entie the obi kan di obi ye empumtuo na na yepe fabra. Eno ne yehwehwe fabra. Eno ne yepesi yehu fabra. Eno ne da santeman akoma so fabra. I don't know sentiment per se a bodia yede a butter would ho fabra. That is what we are all looking out for. Now Kwame to the opposition MPs in the Ashanti region. Yeah, my mom premo and Kasaw. So will be a Kasa Bintino. And I say Assembia Bantino. Also called Kasa now, man for who's a Kasa now, or party ma who's a more Kasa, Munyai. I thought that kasa ni bi wo ho sebi ento asumu sebi se nipa bia tena se no calculate mo nkasa ye ni bia incoherent ya de mo nkasa ni bi de tonse ni ani ni ya bai wo mu a sebi emfa munyai. Don't be in a haste to come out to do press conferences and talk. kasa bebrebe no mfa hwe ma o mfa so ni so small talk na mu ye adwuma small talk na mu ye adwuma na munyai se mudi moni asi Ashanti regional minister so no munyai se bo bibi to counter him a mo mpempum to mfa mre mo constituencies ahodo a mo represent no na mo mani hu se o abemu but mo na mu nia bemu no mo pempum to the aba mo constituency mo pempum to the aba Ashanti region munyai sebe sanse mu na mudi na ase mudi moni asi abrante no so no munyai mo pempum to mra Mama yehu dia moye, mama yehu dia moye, mama yehu dia mo pedi ama the region called Ashanti. Mama NPP for enya mosom faso wo kuruma ha. Mama NPP for ntumi nyina baabi mfo mo nsansi o mo boso se oye me MP, waye we. Kwame school fees no dia ye nyina ye tua bi o. Kwame school fees ni nyina tua bi o. Because what you want me so tua school fees, me to me tua school fees. Ye tua bi no mo de o mo abontia o mo nya ya busuafo. Ye tua bi nti wontumi mfa school fees nka se na butua ni padodo say school fees masa won kan hwe na wonim nipa nso a edan ye mu bi adechie the amount a free your financial kit mu
Sompa
FM wontumi mfa no nye tobe mumpempum tu no mfa mra eno ne hia eno na yepe eno na yehwehwe eno ne yepe eno ne yehwehwe na Kwame na no ka kwabiri Easter asemmeti se amanfo se de ntisa na sefo Kwame boho wunim se se yetu boho a watu awie completely ne na sefo no akosto wa ye 40,000 and 50,000 okopie wa ye drill boho baako kwabiri East 1.51 billion 1.51 billion and ye dey construct boho baako ya ka mo se ma ye nka mo de party akatakata mo ani so se mo ye NDC fo na minim se de na ekoso na mo mpese mo beka mi bisa mo se kwabiri East fo hodom no mi bisa mo se ya si MC dan foforo na ye nsi ye eye foforo no no koye renovation oni sika ewura mu almost 2.5 billion ya de no koye renovation e de be nko na okosiesie wo hodom. I'm telling you, I have the documents now. Me go so hear me background checks. Movie say you movie sorry ani aba be kasa. Monim sika ewura mu a manfo faculty kwan bi so ehye edi no. We know all of that. Don't dare us. If you dare us, we will come out with lot of things. Mokura makuma kura bebubu. Mo audios ni bia mo asene se ne manya bi mate. Ne mo amo se me etia obi betumi de ne mpeso ade ababetua me ka se kwa me diko yewe. No, I am for development. If you don't know, let me tell you. Uko pie mo city wester the oya MP no ye me brother related but odin se mu na me ka kire no oya de na nya. I'll tell him into ompem asem. This is me. Ati kwabiri East no de ekoso no yenim ajeso de enso ye teteba asokwa de enso teteba ye ne namfom agigigi information ni nyina edeba. We know all of this. Kwame nasi na me fancy.
All right, I don't pay. Mami rajom kakra na me bra. Na baby, videos now ready. Some of the concern raised by 1 hour, yeah. And obejina kwan so in fact no mo show about what a real wasem the crowd baba bejina hodom. I was very worried, very worried. Na hey asem wo pa mo fa me nyo mama me na me ntinsi dwom na we mu hihya na hede. All right, tago eba Mr. Nope wa bobo dia no. Bobo dia na Bobby. Tago eba Mr. Tago eba capsules. Anope erector misfunction. The drone no. Bema o kasi ma na abu agum. O kan wo ma na patire. Misraw eyen ehuya pa. Petago eba Mr. Afe oba wo low libido watenka wo fom bem watenka wo fom. Eye symptoms e chia senya mabi nkoye. Mayentu ade na se na ma libido na e wo fom no emra soro. Infections ahudo ni nyina onya tago eba Mr. Drugstore bia eba store bia biom 0243228296 0243228296 Aropa ye jinam pasa belaba ya wo region by region that aropa ye nemu edi komo efri
Sompa
FM eni abreso amede no ho pa abawura sene west asa abawura area say aboboba you two sa me na fa ye tete gogozano RSYD no VG Studios aropa yi o se men kan show say eye mfonyini eye film na apeso making open studio papa bi aye unyuma ana apesa professionals awu kra professional cameras awu ya good handlers eba be handle o podcasting o streaming online streaming nyina RSYD no VG Studios meso from 0574715778 0574715778 and 030-397-4822 where RSYD no VG Studio and crime form for one inch yawo malam abiase first Kokroko Street wa na be huyen ofra obenya simple wiase ene Ghana for na nyina ofra ya beba let's create something extraordinary together. Anopay a Kingdom Herbal Center cover by Kingdom Garlic Capsules, Kingdom Garlic Bitters, Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules, Tremendous Capsules, Tremendous in your Madia, and your boss are there managers ye, Abedom Ghana. A man say I feel order that can near one ye. Toby was Kwantebisa Kayonia Koya, one from me be a man ye never sir, because a one year what is a baby a didiamu. Nye uti amane de patre wa pepa sem pepa besra wo enyomango yi we wa go yi akwa bia so ka che because akwa bia se bia so ya bia tibi janka betari ya go fo ka se badafu bi se obu anya wadafu bi wa se ka wa se de ja wadafu bi hwa wo di on ma ko busa Kevin obesha an experience achiro enye o wonya kra na baba be warewa na se wo sa ahimfie okoyi bibia ye kama sent bia ni wo se de nyame ye no wo se ye natural enti so menstrual disorders o menses ba ye tonka ediomansis ye nyoma nkoye me so onya tremendous capsules ye naturally health formulated a boa man dia manyina eko kama ama ohoto Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules enye eno na me man de no eno sexual weakness waist pain sisi yade mental stress wa adwene wo bom wa adwene otum se wa bre adwen bre o stress yade boni se sanso ana anopay o ya bema na o energy ni wo form. Energy is the ability to do work. Hey, by day tena office now energy wo form bibia ya basa. Anope ko Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. Na ebobo o be man nko ade ama mema sem no ginseng mrem. Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules. Kingdom Garlic Capsules. Kingdom Garlic Bitters. Eno di obia no bi. Boost you me na my immune system no aye kama. Immunity majira soldier for na ding. Ayenam adwuma bia de be mom bi o matima ye dia mawo anopay stress and also anxiety arthritis numbness titiriti hypertension stroke heart disease cholesterol no bia beboa wo pa ebeboa wo Kingdom Garlic Capsules and inhibitors anopay Kingdom for opie nu pay bia to a ne dodo mu a fro ye wo kechi drug lane and as call all leading pharmacy shop and herbal shops ubenya no one ato Freying 02498 0597 298 855 0597 298 855 and answer for 0559 761 144 a Kingdom Herbal Center. Arapa ba me ne oni komo yie na tenya ma bi ase. E komo a ho ne say 21st clinic a sciatica expert. 21st clinic ana edi wa kaginamu. Mesro 21st clinic say squeeze bar 21st clinic say enei sa wusisi achi etwenwa akopem wo nanti a hwe go so feriso anabuza kokos sciatica yare fun yare boni say o de tena na mo bi nkika nsem ti o na me pedru e me manfa machine si so na ye physio for ni miemia e ma adwonku edi be ye so bapa na hu se de nkofo breast sciatica da sciatica na ya dia pa o biam nim se ya dia batenra patient ba ko pa mi hu no pa watena wa ma sciatica njese This is 21st. For 0540311311 0249311311 0540311311 0249311311 Midom was here and Timmy Tobia me cock or walk boss and quanta ya bow. Monsieur sad ma coach home. Obu also papa no your morning show. Nam de onse sumunti a umbrasid ma kwa chelm and run back home from me corre sciatica ni hu. Mumu akwa na ti so ba kura di FM. But all could na fe do no ase ohun se consistency wo baba akuna wa mabie ma ya consistent bra no mu fa to adro so no mu miamia machine so nya ho adwuma pa na ho ato laboratory and scan service ye bi wo ha ya wo ba nya no aso kan wase ma ne yo abu also yam ne atwa ne scan nanom akwa bi okwa akopɛ adro na oduru hoduma okan ya de o man hwehwe o se ne yam asa ekutu ayesi o man ne drum se ekoko afi ni pena se wapon by force but 21st the oba ya de mfidie ne fa yam o se sister na anim onyem be 3 months o ya hwe ni nyina asa ne amu aduro professionalism ni ye dwuma 21st clinic Kumasi ahwa overseas ane wo Sompa TV Sompa FM wo soro no mu wo fom ye ne eduan ma fa radio ne ben so Obuasi Council Quarters Court Junction Accra Momra Tantra Hill ona behu sunyan yo sunyan teaching hospital eno mu ne die nimhwe saa so dem kransafo momre techiman GN Bank edan dada no yewum branches ne doso ofra baby e ben oni amo akọ 0249311311 0540311311 na yemboa na ho entimi ento arapa Roman father na dro no Father Martin say about Mr. Roman father na dro no edra eche nkonya edra nyame ensawom edra chese utim se eye adwumankasa anope stroke wo hunya honam yade honam yomre honam tutu wasa honam mre nko ana honam tutu nko honam yomre mremrem na afso why but wahunya ohia eye Roman father na dro honam tutu pains ohia Roman father na dro no pressure diabetes ohia Roman father na dro no chronic diseases ohia Roman father na dro na aboawo tie mi o me se na aboawo na onyoma nyina atimi akokoye eye edupa ema yade bia edupa ema yade bia obrempon na ankasa no Roman father na dro no Father Martins arapa ye chem nyina 0247 919 122 0247 919 122 and 0552 668517 0552 668517 a Roman father net drone no ana make come for the amount fato so enra demonstration no omo ye mu demonstration no omo ko gina kwanim say the nyoma ko na nya na afemi wi abeba region by region mo me ambon ko free region Enyama ekose wa region anope mame nchia menu Adepa Evans of Adepa Funds Obrekum anope a very special morning to you Evans Adepa of Adepa Funds Brekum na asha anope menu awe ma finipa ba mejiado Ora ba cham say dey watch birthday. Ahuma chimu no dey say dey. All right, mo fa video dey to so. Mo fa video dey to so. Na yan hwedra grievances one of facing ana ye dra Ashanti regional. Mo amotima fa mo mayente mo nso so mo na Ashanti region kra dem busam senti. Interchange no. Akwan ba so ne dey fa. Oh, sir. Oh, Eddie Monkafra. Monkafra. Omode mamusisi. Why? Kavo. Na my own adjuman tete. Na ya ba region by region. Misa momefa buku na mon chocho emame. Momefa buku no na mon chocho emame. Na yenhwe se de niema esi etie ensoso ewo ho momefa. Na yanko region by region.
Sompa FM.
Yanko region by region. Mesamo edru region na wa mamua. Me kwa da region se jan fe na be ena debi. Oyesa emboa me. Enti ye fra Ashanti region, we come to the next region, ye about the next region. Na ye kwa dan saying the amount region by region em then say. They say that they just banana one of the regions frame me or big push so no more chemi quine said the contractor no is EFM dear new big good. Hey, when I dear they say dear Bopil and Koya Namina more titty, my minna. As a Jubadi Kevin Abedru. Enya medru ye. Abedru amomo yenya na afe yanko Ashanti region first. Ashanti region, Greater Ashanti and all the parts of Ashanti region. Arapa mama metemu kandia na yakoso ompotemu nkomo be na arapa yeni awa Ashanti region. So abi interchange no mo de aye ne de. Anwene se papa anwene se angaza 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 0548 931 931 Ashanti region ana yewura first what how anything enye fa na wa region nim asamba da kwaso e ko positive and e ko negative enye de enko de ko nyina ya mama mentena mu se adwuma bu a ya be no area ho won se improvement abema na wa miate na yekọ yanimti Barbara Monfa course na 0548 931 931 0554 931 931. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Aba kesi odini baby afrefre.
Your friend Kwame Nkwantabisa me frefre medema.
Bra yenti ono pay.
Wonim say Kumasi ayetie enema bi koso ha no mu a enye fa type ye che ne say gatesa ewokum ha no nyina slaps ade pipe ya ye ni obi a wo fix anema gatesa ewokum ha nyina na me bese ne bu sake me fo pani fo when the maintenance Kumasi ha traffic light bulbs ewokum ha nyina shishe traffic light bulb I just 10 cities you can fix but who called them there or more nipa you didn't do my take and then they came for hold my one for them which me as animal as matter of fact since I echo so Kumasi animal type
Sompa FM
maybe I know what contract and once what contract is mayor what office may I send the regional minister what office they don't fucking do nothing that only I say regional minister no Sompa and by a small cake. Who by once man who after the two way, young Mubaway, as no way, who take and subject as after. So, the 4 years, one day, the sector was what just 1 year, man, just a child, 8 years, 4 years, I'll be a campaign. One took much back also, took much trying to put it here. You come back, you go, say, what was much animal will be to them. Now, what was this? I say. Bumping any of these is the Kwasu. I will a friend say, Kenya is a good one. A corner Sunday in you. Kenya is a horror. Kenya is good. Bumping anything that stuff a come home. Seneca, Grandma catch you a car. So Sabo pina ina mo yɛ kwa no kwa sa kwa no mo timi nya ka klem na yɛ no so a mo di sabo pina sabo se sa hono mo ama kwa na sabo se dio mo mo ni yɛ se mo timi yɛ sa djuma na mo nya yɛ de ni party bi ni party bi awo wo abeba abayiro ho no ni support tu de ka yɛ ti support be sia party na sia nya mo bebre be sa e da me kuma sia just some integrity de hwɛ ni aka potholes yɛ tete bi ko no more than 20 years. What do you guys are doing?
Ramenase. And I don't back on so much mutual Sunday. I think I do Jamaho baby. Now, I know dear chrono, I develop it, but a door should do. And a coin my first and because a highway for me, no one a te a bassa, but highway for a ya. And I think they're very professional. Ashanti read 054893193102055193193. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
About Pardini baby, I'm free. About ya yet you are no pay.
How much to them? Yeah, how much? One function minister and said, I put to a jet to be quiet, Kwame. Yeah, put to a bread. What was started? In so time, I can't. I am not in school. Who could now say passing from a far back and time? Cast a bones to a warm sono. And so one of them can call the place, a central, a quarter pipe, a quarter dear bit near dodgy traffic and the quack of a crew. To finding back. In fact, you say, for my new brother, a cock. In CS Pro,
also have a nice idea and when Pino Naso bears you.
I put you a jack. And so said, I put you a develop it fine. And so you're quite dear, yes, sir. When you're packing.
Matty. I saw me in the by force, so what's a me baho? Hey, Pastor Mama Mio. Ashanti region. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open you didn't baby free.
Because every Kenya is sorry.
Good. Yenti open you guys here.
So Yanko point shit up burning my code, you might kind of minus and come.
Me that's
why I show my bay, my point to show my bay. Echo a friend. Why now is he to do? I think university also may be found. Yes, I acquire our money.
I hear from both sorry.
Sorry. Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
Why in here, you feel or something for more or 1 year. Yes, but you are not a fine SS you. Oh, my dear, fine to yes,
sorry. Mokra meba mu area o minimum MPO meeting. Hello, good morning.
Open the Christ na some drink count.
Ofa Paul, chama album yenti anope oboase.
But His Excellency John Suboni Zamani Mama, Vice President, Lawyer Tammy Jenfi, Abbas Nuludini, Nana Kutina Nana one. Regional Minister Makwe Michiomupa. Yabaka, Memun Samana, Assistant Memun Samana, Yeta. I do only about what yes, so a baby of what I'm the Punka dancing, Ukumpano. Oh, Yamia, Yama Wakwem, Moko Bakudumpano, home good try. I'm in the S. Come. And I've had about 40 pounds or so. I'm also only my contract. This over Kunkan, oh, Yama Kosi, Papa. Nothing so relax. Someone most of some mark for transformers. Yeah, the dear bear come here, what that dance did. Niema Mrs. Communication and everything what that actual way. Name on count
so Obia send me a put you on picture. Hey, Mosomudi and you. Hello, good morning. Open you didn't baby free.
No,
Open you didn't baby free.
we the medina de tuning na mo me kata free asante agogo.
Okay, yenti anope.
Abuapa. We the mania je no pa ewo adwuma pa amobo. Am se mama me ho ayira me pa. Na we the mesre se agogo kwan ye sremo ampanifo ntu mani nsia. Na ise de kwan no de show a eto wa hane de. Ise kwan na nsrepe. Kwan na say to sremo. No more can be wo me sremo amadaluma. Na me sremo maku honum MPT de police for me sremo. Mesre mo a che mesre mo panifo mo ko mo na so na ke die ye obi a me ti pragia fo mo haye papa ye to kwa ho na te bia me take to be crash ye be ka cho che gire ye no na ya betra ka ni oli fo be do 50 cities ata no ma ya mo akọ e ko ji office so dia any 100 cities
o mo cash out o
e go ni o mo haye ani ke ye pa de se would any investigation when we
are police
every morning, oh, Baba, yes, you over 200. Come to this carry here, and let's say no matter as I continue, sir.
I don't know when you're no did you.
Sompa FM.
I said that the police here, and then can you go through police here, or say, no, I can't pass me because in the party, they are in the party, they are police force in the party. They are to age him. And she shall be in a year, not quite in a year. That's all by Jimmy says she can do it. And then look, and I'm not going to be here.
She says, oh, Kafra.
How much is it? Community
Kafra. Okay, Kafra. Yeah. And yeah, she says, Ade Kafra, they have also. Mo praga for mumu be a good baby so nyakra. Be dim brother so. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open you didn't baby after free.
Because free as I say, what I wouldn't take a so. Yamishrao and it's my pa or my chair is not chairman and obviously it was in 2019 inshallah such happen up the la lasa. Yes, I'm already a pano. It year, yes, I miss MC what ye as a muka chenua or ma mutuano mo or Yamishrano, ben up the la lasa, where Yamishrano, continue my pa and why. Or by and say to my company now, they have to clean our shots here, and maintain spare a Fuja Geno, or shots here, a Kuba Geno, a shots here, allow up for social quinus, no, or much I say, social genus, no much I say,
oh, fine. Oh, wow. Honey, and why?
Ben up the last.
Oh, Alasan. Okay. Oh, wow.
We are here, my power, my scormopono.
Montreal to have a wife.
Okay. Umbrana was so that's it.
Yet, BBC, I need
chair is not someone, and obviously, chair for Nina, Syria, Maraj.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Now where?
Open me who you now swear. Good. Udini baby are free.
I told me free half I don't know. If I miss
half I know not. Ashanti region. Okay. Half.
Village.
Yeah, as I for not a half. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
But you do radio and TV no lower. Aha. Udini baby are free.
I don't want to give a quiet for Jerry.
Yentio.
Nadia high at the fire, Japan, I will be for me.
I have for me.
I will a panel. Take on my bomb before one. I'm a Pantata. Who free a drum. Kwame Nkwantabisa with any one custom that there's some. Don't get a complaint with you, my.
Okay. Yo, Matro, or say a highway for Bear Quino. Matro. Montreal. I found not the Ashanti region. Oh, Akwe didn't bonny. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Open you didn't baby are free.
You did it, Nana.
Nana ain't you in Frobwas.
Yo. Yeah, Boko. Your mamma, the children and I, your family. Your program or was it to a soccer junction?
Or was it to him?
Papa, a soccer junction.
Okay.
A pana, a bear. Well, Papa, say, which is to say, if you are soccer junction or was here. The big, actually, only was it.
Hey.
A pana say. Meso a pan can see a pa, and no other call was it. Enki, Usiswa, Tanya, a pana to true, Sanka, almost castle cram and Uncomota de Fidia Faso Mania, and Canabo. Papa, and a spare possible baby drew. And so, who first were now Ocasa Nomina essays. Oh, as we says here near the Asada for. They are not private car crown near the area because they are no Yanya de Quayuma. As Okota the Indian say. I have lost some power and here's from Madama. Mokabia, a doom penny for media. Momma, and penny why
yo, and I say, 0548931931 0551931931. Yeah, near Fresh Anti Region. Oh, hello, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Host.
I bet you did baby free.
Yes, I can work because I was to car.
I got hope my NTR pay.
As well making a lecture wasn't paid before. Honorable Big or two program and a couple of shell and a papa so a garba on swap from on the DC or a couple of shell or Muguma. Now, me how can I say? Into Yenoma, I am free Federation or Mukrum a ban or Muninam or Munam until my in fact, Omados too much. In church, said a quabbler soon almost fast waiting, Google mine more, I bring the case for it into research form. I never say, we are saving to combination that I do. There is a thing to say. First points and I say a contract. No, there's something before you can say, I don't know. Now, we send a bear amount to be to who have the place because you could be the Gabon, in fact, and effect. So, the rest of them for some family, and I was also quantity. I say, before I have a comfortable brain, the only ones who did ideas you could know the idea is small. And come on, you can't when you do fire and so, get the phone, a restaurant say, we would Jumano, and they are for call. Then, yes, they can tell you the Germuna or Huna to if you forget a son of me, I said, they are until you couldn't marry, a bit messy. They are now finding future, the penny for the say, or move your fine lay attitude to my team and the restaurant say, or Muguso. So, you call it idea, you restaurant say, or Muguso, how much you know, or really put a matter
and so that's a part. I mean, catch on to a crime and misro. To be a cano, Robert from the ABC 10 million Namisroma almost say. Come here, Miss Roma, my phone.
Say, now, or more dreams say, accident into me, so to me, your mistake. I
am more teaching what I miss Ro.
I know you.
Nancy Zuba can who
Sompa FM.
Yes.
At line say, hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Open you didn't baby after free.
Look at some things that you completely
good, Yentiano pay.
Look at your said you're more near your Yakuposha, there at Atlanta. Look at telling you know, baby Kaya something upon town road. Nana could go to the only town road in Africa. Only to my phone, come. I'm found you calling in almost young Musumo. The dear Naka is far with this time. No. This a cat name for because it's now you got can't make already. Because what's not also you know, a year as the original minister on one Catholic room, yes, CF2. Echo, man from Suka, road, the court after. Or one your pan one do baby. There will be a fan between no question say, Kakuya cannot hear about that regular minister. Who put a cow on them. Papa, Dama for a number ye bread papa. Now, let me get a whole Nakaba, Bana, and not from a pizza yard, the other in Pluto. It's okay, if it touches in at the home. Radama, that's 3 minutes within the pump, yes, you will not have to a partner between the clear fire. Madame, Mamma, my Kakana, some more than your my, and a the partners for the bomb packet, here. Region is about to come over to about the free man for one name, ever man for Professor, ever a chia. Bomb a proposal to a bomb can be 7. I can take it here. Yeah, don't have it. Oh, bread, papa. Madama, a factory minister, a moment, no mama, a chief of Kakana.
May I say, thank you. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Open your dinner, baby, I'm free.
No, it's just free before you do.
A giant you want to pay.
No, where the madam, everything I say, I do my palm, yeah, and I mean, some party for me, and I feel for me to food, I said, I'm a mechanic. What's a free, could you want to buy Bible food or quite
Sompa FM.
That's one. Gina. Before the Kurunuma, in fact, and of course, who surround Pakwadi and some grass, and that's some Pituakura. Now, who's a one to maybe a year, one thing, but that's something yet. It is a hand,
I will find a man.
That is saying, I am bumping or how you bumping that.
Once I want to come for 9 and then they are never disappointed. Oh, bomb one.
It's quite the food. I would give us a once route before. I now the bar for being that bumping or
wow.
I know before Kuruma, Kurana, Papa would do Kurum. I say you could do me. Have a young side and side, Amaya. I want to do Amaya, yeah. They want to know if any tower, they want to But
that's open as I say. I was open as I.
Papa, I want to do idea. Oh, my home. A fun muscacana one day, the Mafacana, a 1 year union, the busy Cocobe, double in the sun. But now, only in the they do what the bank of Coca-Cola, Jacobino. Put me in court, and she did PR traffic.
Yes,
yes, we will not do there. What the moment who bring a bomb in the Sumaya, could be yes, Reno, why? Now, apparently, a bread was so low.
You better do come.
You, if I see you ready,
Bofuedu, inflation to me, hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Open you did maybe I'm free. Good.
And a very Papa Moye. Now, my little cry, the best man, the driver. Yes, or what became coin. Yeah, and I'm sure. My fine Canada, and who would not a Kuma for or my star and yeah, and then you have the breed, yeah, bumping, trying to car into me for.
Ah, me.
Yes, Ramo, yeah, Mamma, I will for nothing, no money, but then no man, they are bumping, come, am I in here?
Matty,
ever boy, go out with peace, no. Why are we? Oh, we are Omunia and I go back on no money. Yeah, since you are at the moment to be this hour. To me, I have to man.
Crona Casa, own crony ding.
I have drawn a chair there.
Okay, so I dare quite Jama Honum.
I do Jama hair at the court. That man is no more yours to the yes, Lemon, I present no man Casabe or Mobile can correct Samaya. Yes, and you don't the time with you are to do Raja to be able to get summer. And the Martinez Mapa,
Yamin Shawon Suso. Kwame Yashan TV. Yemi Ashanti region yebe kwa adare. Kwame so currently say o hwe how wa Ashanti region pa.
Edoso pa Kwame.
Edoso.
Now dodo na also has to do with akwan.
Menim say Ghana akwan de 4 years ma ma ontimi ye ni na.
There be.
But a bi o ho a ehia urgent attention.
Yes.
Said the Minister for Roads, Ekoka Chair say, Ekwan bi here attention to the extent that Sunday the award contract no. Ekwan bi here attention. Yes, so say you know. Ekwan bi also enu here urgent attention. Ehia so say.
Pa because
Ekwan bi wo ha ehia so say.
Sourcing pa. Kwame say wo he the ofre oboase asokwa junction. Semwa okan ya.
Yeah.
It means say honum betumi akunipa.
Of course.
Honum accident betumi asi.
Aye.
Honum betumi de oye ne kese fa ane. Abrega na fo. Edi akwan ne de wo say ye ma yani ko.
Yes.
Na Kwame won say akwan no so na link connect cities.
Yes, of course. Say no there.
Era sa engonki to yi so na Kwame enuane na sefo nyina
free ba.
Enti se wanya kwan papa bede na aduane na efiri wodom wode aba.
Oboase de ekura kon oboase mejo road.
Yes.
Kwame edu ba bi wakwa oma edua. Oma dualize no.
Yes.
Enti so sa places no. De ewura ma akosi double roads no. Ano so na issue. Yes, you don't see the beauty of the other end.
Yes. Eba sound so Kwame kwan nya e ma productivity ekofom.
Where I saw there do jamasa hodi anakrachi iken. Kwame ho no mu hia bumping. It is true because kron nipa wo na da bia mu okwan ho. Eto mu hia bumping but say highway for anya no mu akoya me say me ko hu bumping bi pa Atakwame no mu dia yo John tetense ne ana dua hyem na ka ne bo ate gran na kroma for na be hwadi.
Yes. Omo amutumi hu say bumping no maye no enye
because they are unprofessionals.
Yes.
But omo so hia so omo bo omo kroma ho ban. We stretch about 1 km, 1 kilometer no. 1 kilometer kran say. About there be 5 meters no. Kwa be bumping kwa be 10 was so ade. And it is said there what studios
Sompa FM.
Who see for mana I bumping.
Who see from when you bear 5 for
10 steps we are saying
I think that one a wom say mbrane kan say obia ne wo kwan say aban kwan wo attach.
Yes.
But sometimes so temamfo no e bia ka boba ko mienu miense omo ye worried. But and also man ho kwan say obeye bumping wa bra wonim nyansa bia na anim die bia ho na say ngofo ka sisa. Because it's my pass why it did. Etimedia me wonu say so oye ba ko atifi oye ba ko mfimfiri oye ba ko anafo a car no say sabi open speed said there kra obedru obe careful. And most of these bumpings no Kwame any warning sign bia cho so ba be bumping ti say okọ 1 week ago na fe na wo ba wonim say de wote anet one hwa bia car no beto akoto no
enye easy Kwame
edi esre illegal bumping no ya dozo. But if we understand temamfo no yase entemase yetemase because yasa kwada bi bewu ana panyin bewu enam reckless driving over speeding driver for ni bi duru omuko but yenyin nimdia kakra wo ho anse epese ya cause bumping bi wo from a stretch no one can grab 50 o mayin 2233 sa ne wo so ana bumping no kwa Kwame gap no damu no ana you know the measurement to who
ani
et wan hwa o car tie no kwa timi kokam etimi ko shemu and most of these places are highways.
Sompa FM.
Most of these areas are highways. It's bumping here. But highway for see so ya mo hwe nkro no na mo advice abomu ye kwan na. Yes enye
find the Ashanti region.
It is wrong.
Kwan. And of course, not to say Kwan.
Kwame how bia.
Here party.
Most yankwa region be.
Kwame you call Eastern
OT voter. Eastern region. OT region. Voter region. 0551. Why ya Ashanti region, ma Ashanti region ni bi amfre. Next week. Say ye wo how ne say nkwa de ye nya 101 ye wo how ne say ye beba bebom 0551931931 0548931931 oti Volta Eastern Region mona ya drum so edia na ekwoso omukromo miani komo. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, you are from to say.
Oban kasi aboko dan so na abusu ano te say.
Na ho ya papa na kopon te ho ya.
Good. Okay, say free here na udin.
Please kasa free what call the grow Eastern Region.
Okay, yenti on free Belgrade.
Please. Yeah, me am take the go ha. Ya kwambe bro ho nya o ba no o he ni. Le mom kan ya kai. Me smith for santenemu. It is the cost was on runabout interchange. And more, yeah, now when the world, Mr. Jahakase, and the 2, the 3, the 2, the 3. Come up as a day. Let me make you one just here. What means any 2, the 3. One cast one muto. I didn't know why, yeah, swam hair. In case you don't know, swam intersection. It's one of the most busiest intersections in the whole of West Africa. Not Ghana, not even Ghana. If you don't, I'm telling you today. All countries are border Ghana with the north, Burkina, Niger, Mali. And that's what I'm going to have. You know, people say, yes, I'm going to have. Obey your money free to my pot. And you know,
Sompa FM.
When you test one mechanical, I'm woman central for look master fire dear, never touch any 2, any 3, and I say, never young Mr. What are we going to do? What else do to assess? Eh? Budget. Yeah, what Mr. Rebecca said, yes, so because I can't do a here. You cut the country, a quadrian or Ghana, and who's necessary someone about. I'm telling you. There's no road in Ghana currently. I hear important as someone about.
Ma na all the Eastern for time now. I should that you be remwa. Okay, who kro dia me say papa I said to you. But some now can be very important. I agree with you. Said na no pa make na. Hello, good morning. Edia wo Eastern region, Ashanti region for Memphamo. Eastern region, Volta region, Oti region. Sa me and saying Ada say ye show mu ofa ho be Ashanti region now the kofa be that the bar enya de se be fa. Enti ye ma history for de bia me ko for history there. Na no me ko hodum na say omu do ankane na ha omu pa kwa me so kai a. Enti ye ne bayenna me na ECG for no ne PRC for na se. In fact do me nyante se ba akumionu bi ho but most of them na ya kese no I think say dum so ne de ho akakra beba but say de na ye major pa say lines ni we ni de o matimi a change a homa ni bia regular maintenance no e koso enti on de for now no ho but o so akwan kakra issues e wo ho no 0548931931 055 Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, master.
Apa you didn't baby free.
Radio ni dey kwan so my first na me nya mo atan
bi ani dey kwan so me free Ashanti region ni dey kwan so. Babra me danasi. Ani dey kwan. Ashanti region hijack line na. Other regions no omunyo. Omu hijack so
this year Ashanti na hijack ama Eastern ni voter ni otintumi ma no.
Omu hijack line sana.
Ane. Nti ama Eastern ni otintumi ma. Nti Kwame
so ave quite no. We boys say e dwa no.
Nti Kwame yanko hwe Western North Central.
Yanko se hwe o.
Yanko Western North Central.
Kontomra se hwe debi so genase ene se hwe be kwai. And so Western North, Western region, Central region.
Sompa FM.
Western North, Central region, and traditional Western region.
I mean, Ashanti for natural mom hijack line.
Ashanti for
yes, Rob.
Oh, fra.
Yes, Rob.
Or Cassette, the real free crow or free advice.
Oboa.
Obezo de oye.
So the way.
Oh yes, smart. Aba be rem. And then no problem dey there. E karo kra pa. Ajadi for the nanka sorry pa.
Ani, and the asante for the answer.
Because I mean, they say o my mo bododo. O my mo bododo. Enye o.
Amam for di o mu hwamo.
Enye.
Amam for di o mu hwamo.
Enye crowd. Because uko regions ni bia. Me pese mebo region bia. Ba sa wa odum si anante. Regions ni mu.
Nante de na se ne enye.
Na no ba bia ko ye. Ayi even krono kwan no hodada ba mu ba mu. Ba bia ko na no matutu containers na wo kwan no nyina. So mu ba mu kwan ni mu. Ti efe. Yanko, Western, North, Central, Western region. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good. Yes, Tiano pay.
Yeah, to me. But now not to so lay on my
Oh, did I hear Kakama me? MTN for also Western for more line and your crowd. MTN Italy sell for Madam Yamunka Western Wakakra. Online to be a mubrepa. Hello, good morning. Oh, bless her. Oh, they are not to kun. If I done me call ho, me call Jack. Me could jack or genasi. Now, always said, yeah, on line here, you call be quite crowd, but quite not yantiman yet because near say, on my bandit drums, and the sound I call yantiman used to sound, no, or they be cheaper, but quite what you say, on the noise band that also the sound they call yantiman more than there. As I your baboko. I paid you for your baby tonight. No one at you in you. And yet, dear Bolland is that Western region, Western North Central region 0551931931 0548931931. Oh, dear try. Obama, me was a mobile one to combat. Oh, dear try. They be a radio try you na wabo room. Na Central Hono, Central region, Western North, Western region. Na inform. These are some of the things that I can say. So regional ministers, any MMDCs, be your majuma. Anka breni bi o hwan ki emre. No kwase mpada meka chono. Hello, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Opejudi ni baby afrefri.
I'm going Central region of my place.
Good, yenti wa no pay.
Nasa. That's the Central region. I know I said the whole Ghana and Kamu. Central region had Jim. Especially, I know I said school, where maybe I was. Oh, maybe now, so much to see. Every time, obey UCC, they be a UCC, Google UCC, Mother. What mean Tado? What mean Tado? Anka, can mean that. Imagine 26 or UCC come with school from Abamu Blow, Mother. Because of a human, I don't know if you come couple with the hand of boy dream. Mother, Santa, they have brothers. I am a tram with you. When some more Central with the youth, I'm a joint and singing as I know. Ghana and Kamubi. Because you two in the center, as one of our center, you may be a Jimmy commander should have. I mean, I'm yes, it's a movie, like a private speech, who call 400 a month. Oh, you want 400 a month. Oh, Lad those gentlemen, whatever Google. I don't cry in the center of Jaya. I'm not being wrong about the moon. And I said, I need to go out center of Jaya. With us.
Obey.
Okay.
Oh, Mrs. Central and no crew. Kwame. Kevas. Grade. Kwame me si kura ye fish boarding.
Honey.
Me come chira wo.
And I Kwame ho nso obo no kese pa.
Mame kwa man so. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open you din baby afrefri.
Ebacha me kata si baby ni. What enough?
Okay, yenti anope.
Ebacha baby ni from baby ni to say we buy. Yes, one nye mata. Nyampo ko na we do amete se nyame na do ho afofi. Do na do pa. Accident case si wo kwan nye yi do fla. Yes, na say. Omo de omo me pupla ma ye, omo meta da mu ma ye. Ka ye ra ko tal pa o. Baby ni to say we buy. Ese mo amu aye why.
Baby any to say we buy. Kwame one of the busiest road so aye wo. Busiest road pa.
Kwani bi wo ho Kwame.
Busiest road. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open you didn't baby afrefri.
Because every wasa.
Okay. Wasa kropon ana. Okay, you do no pay.
Katofi do pa e ba wasa pa. Ye kwan ne bedu pa se ko garanti batal betanta o se wa atarize ko no. Kwan ana ya network no so a the TC is there o ma be to network post ni bi
o ma be to den
network post go how say enedma so no mo bo no ma be to yes wa ta bo ya apia kan Ghana na ho
na original minister yi na so e di your original ministers bi what's a dakupa nyambra kwacho boom physical. Hello, good morning.
Bajo, good morning, boss.
Open you dini baby afrefri.
Bajo, I am a Benjamin. Bajo, me VIP driver. Me I'm going to cooking.
Okay, Ben says I'm fast and I am.
Mr. So if you cross so bar, Mr. Mokwine so. Mr. Fade. Offer. So Mr. Me booster say Tafo MTTV Kotiman Fonteno. Omono Dragiano Emrebia ni we asa. E cover o mana. Opa.
Na unim asema esere kura say sa kwan no so na police fo gina pa. Sa wa hwe nwa.
Me police ni bi o isu moto.
Ai.
O ye ne dia ne se wo
how the officer no mbeje o.
Opa.
Kwa shi no mbeje me ka no kura kire o.
Me say se me ka ne ye dada se me ba so eye mo omo mo ti ni nyan se me ka ne mo se me ka ne ye dada me itama na mo poma ifan wo no o man ye dem be ba se ne ka se no se anhwe ya me wona wo hia me nya dia mesi pom etu omo fan show mo di
but ya we Ashanti region ba obo ha dinti na mema uram kakra yesa maye unfair to ba ko na mama na nkasa no so afre sans mama na nkasa enti wo free Ashanti region dia ma nkasa bi kwa me se anu adi o
papa
asa kwan we police fo gina so edu anwuma area as indiscipline ko kwan me bi da indiscipline omunye omun free so na me de yehu de na boys ye masa omunye hwe police fo no mba no. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Open you dini baby afrefi.
Ambache because fosu.
Okay, no one that say fosu.
Ambache asking fosu.
Aha, okay. My engine no pay.
But yes, it's free. I think you echo pushing. And Queenie and yes, Madama. And so Kennedy, I compare also on so yeah, keep a free for I think for Sianusi and adequacy. I think so. And so would transfer now so on a single. Yes, some other more. Easy, but if you have free, if you adequate Canadian, it sounds like hard. Kevin Nadia get who that we sing. That says, any daytime. Yes, I am not. I mean, quite a much the bit to late.
I mean,
Madam, sent to midday. I won't give you money.
Now, regional ministers and
ebi
wo hopa.
Be here, my boy.
Ebi ye nyo. He wo nya dia wata ebi ye nyo.
Kwame yonko piem Savannah northern.
Okay. Savannah, northern region, northeast, upper west, the three northern regions. The three northern region afe yamfa Savannah nka ho. Savannah region, northern regions, you know. But Kwame no kwasem ni say. No kwasem ni say. Yankasa na yedi ho hwamo mai mu.
No kwasem. Ni ni wachi ye.
Sometimes me busa me ho say ti kuro we ye wura mi.
How na dodo na fi yen.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Odini baby afre free.
Every of one atema family.
That be you free ho bache me. Ya wo say you were northern region baby e wo ya kwan no you were kwantin pa ya kwan wa far away.
Northern region
Savannah. We so ofro panto ba ofro kanti ka for ne amfro ntem. We panto ne di twa akọ. Nti ya amonye nanom excellency ko yi ho no panto ase o engine wa be panto no bi daso do engine 2 no ba akọ ase ana ba akọ pe no mo de ko se normally o be yansa ba akọ se ya da bibia si anu was park the other one na ba akọ ase na mo de ba akọ de ba akọ
na kwa
na ba akọ so ni fifiri o de se ya eh rade hello good morning apa you dey ba bia free. Oh, all right. Eti Kwame sao, where are you?
Pa,
Jing.
Ti se bantu ba kono engine ba kono kose ya.
E ko say now the se crazy anu ase e se si ntu oni finfine.
We dey monka kwan finfine.
Eh serious. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Open you didn't baby free.
The capital offense so.
The be offense there there be. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Odini baby free.
The capital western region was sasa. Within the of a deal. Ufri enchuntuna ba wasasa. Akwa ne. Hello.
Efri hin ba hin.
Ufri enchuntuna ko wasasa, ufin konya akọ. Ko bon a.
Yeah.
Dansa ne so. Ufri enchuntuna ba wasasa no. Ne. Tisa light so light can create light netum. Light it we do by 1 week na say obi anya la
1 week. There be Barbara share that.
Local
because most needs to be there so 48. Until 1 week there. I know it. Okay. Why? Okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Odini baby afre free.
Pastor your friend me Shiraz Hamza. You can free kumu.
Good. Yenti ano pay.
Pacho, ya Dr. Hamza, you know the way. You put point so to.
Tobo. What's it why ya? Na mentran to.
I'm Pastor your friend Dr. Hamza.
Okay.
Yeah, MP no. Now,
okay.
You like your district.
I don't deal with TV so.
Then you would you so. You put point so to. And MPP so buy. On be street. So that's all buy like MPP was not a cost come on. But no one buy this like you would echo and you would ever.
Oh, the aqua says 70 say Chemuna make come at Macani.
One that was so. And when my year, and also it's worth to.
Oh, okay. On my ho.
On my
maybe about uno.
I did one ma.
Hey,
on Mancasa.
Marty, I'm Zadia, my friend. Okay. I mean, I'm waiting. me fa ko bia bi next week say ya anye 1-1 e beto aso
na the next week ya dey half bono east ne be shase na akọ greater
ai
for na ya kwa ko wi
ya yo mo no but Kwame
Kwame
the course o men
ya wo how
there are things that me nye nyatwum 4 years is not enough for president bia so be Ghana akwa nyina but ya wa kwan bi wa ehia immediate attention.
Yes.
And I believe say the big push agenda no ebeboa bebre.
That's true.
But baby o wa omo hia outer ring road, omo hia inner ring road.
Yes.
And we should set the priority first. Because Kwame said be kuro na me nam fimfini no. E kwan ni nye. Na so ko yam fichire kwan amamia. It doesn't make sense to me. I am for big push. Aba kronimu yefe. But o meye me fichiri kwan wa bra mi krom fimfini kwan down. Ti abesre road minister aka so sourcing. Se me sre no. Ya di nyam di pan chew. Akwan no sometimes mun ko grounds no mun tie de hiuhia wo mu ansa. Ana kwan beboa. So am kwan di aye. No matter kwan bi aba ba ye wo mfichira ba Ashanti region mani nje. Niti churu Kumasi, greater Kumasi.
Because
yes, so I'm here nam way. I can't be any one make catch play
business center.
I'll bend them feature be a more or money begging. Oh, Papa now casa with passion. All the other regions are connected. But Kinan them to be fair, we more. Shababy Amazi wo. Be a bayonet car. A year so chile so pounds said day. Would be free baby aba swamazi.
However, Kwame Ode Swami Ohodom no a connected Techiman to northern part of Ghana.
Yeah.
And Mazi no so a horn now be quacoyo car cassia car and ketua Libya cast in Yakahunano. Mazini a quacoyeno. Nti hona cast in so and now. Nti Quana yes and you.
Aquayo carry no abido na banya na azobana say
banya.
Baby, hey, Kwame.
Baba me phone dey
DC no on MC no onhwe you. Ayi assembly nhwe you. Baby, me phone tie no.
Almotonio man no.
Akasa kese nam sa ho.
Miyem crash.
Ya kwa ka nketo yedu an yesuru.
Miyem hihye.
Den nipo muti ho na anu ba ku bi te ayede o nyame ne bo asa amna kakaka bi ne ho. Yedu am ye fa ho.
Yes.
Ana ka ni gbom ne e choke sa. Ewu. Yeah, birthdays nyanko. Why? Mama nyam birthdays na menko. Ye ni ya nyina ye ho beto yen. Munye ni yezo ayezo ye nyai ka. Arapa happy birthday wanye. Orlando din birthday. Hey. Aja Orlando din birthday o. Orlando. Hey. Ebufu. Orlando Orlando. Ana ko ebufu. Ne birthday ankasa. Mo ya so se nye ebufu de. MC afo se ebufu amebeto mo wa. Hey sir. Wow. Happy birthday to the hard-working Ajekum Blankson, Junior of Sompa TV Sports Department. Ajekum Blankson. Anope Kwame yese nyame hia mawo. Yese nyame so mfamfra adumu nkwa adumu. Nyame a oyi di pafri so mina so betra mapamo adwa so no. Se nyame na ado hwato so nyame ani wanim saa. Nyame enka ho. Nyame nti na nim nkyira wo. Nyame ma de pa bia wa plan wo tim no emrem. Nyame ma ni jafa dum no ntwa ho nhia. Na nyame ema o me kese kopim so be kese pa. Happy birthday Orlando. Ajekum Blankson. Akwedi dia wow. Ajekum Blankson Junior. Happy birthday. MC Nyano no ati onye ni pa to. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. Ala mwenzi abefa mani so because man san trust you. Mun follow the other Sunday mu no. Happy birthday to Mr. Samuel Efa Ajay Kezia of Sompa TV. Da oba Kezia oya adwuma wa ha. Oni ni nuamo se ejapa ho ye na wo ma nya wan ko mbe ye dai. Wa bra boy mu uyo mbibia nyame firi wa na ho. Enti ejapa nyame nhyaw. Nyame ma akwa tenten. Na omu ka cho so obete obre so aba. Omu nyankwa boni se de watete om no omu di nyame suro eni adesua ni nimde be gbini sa ahye wadi mu nyam. Ejapa ya mu awoda pa. Wa ye adwuma ni nyina eja. Happy birthday. Nyame ma akwa tenten apom din wo. MCR move. Hey, birthday way. Hey, Papa we did also. The Papa we na ye PRO. Emma ahafo, udra ahafo regional. PRO kesia pa ma Ghana Police Service. Ghana Police Service PRO. But wait, be feeling it, Barbara, be feeling it, Barbara. Me feeling it, Papa, Chief Inspector, Kwajobu Ache. Happy birthday, Chief. Oye nipa se. In fact, Odri nipa hon. Chief Inspector Kwajobu Ache, happy birthday to you. Dios. Nyame fanfra dumu kwa dumu. Nyame oyo tipeja for don kwa so a empeja wo. Nyame emma wo promotion. Adwuma no so de wote. Adwuma no did very disciplined. And the chief, yamo happy birthday. Yes, Nyame sha ma. Abusuafo ni nyina do. Yes, say happy birthday, sir. Enjoy this wonderful day. Chief, happy birthday. Chief Inspector Kwajobu Ache. Ahafo Regional Police PRO. Happy birthday, sir. So and your birthday. And your birthday. DJ Emparo. DJ Emparo, today is your birthday. On this special day, we wish you the very best. Emparo, Nyame enfon fra dumu kwa dumu. DJ Nyame enyo kese pa. Nyame odo ba wiase onim de nti odo ba Emparo. Happy birthday to you. Asaya Juma Kokobodo. Happy birthday, DJ Emparo. Enjoy your day. The man with the magical fingers. Him say Easter Ujiramu Rufus. Happy birthday, DJ. And a happy birthday also Enkoma. Obapa Doris, aka Antina Junior at Konongo, Wefree Sir Wisdom of some passports. Sir Wisdom so pa. Sir Wisdom say happy birthday and I day. Enjoy this wonderful moment. Nyame eshaw no ntin anim chew. Me sorry ako. And the way I MC and the way I oh. Happy birthday to Abena Sewa. Mami Abena, happy birthday to you and I wada. May God bless your new age. May prosperity be your portion. May all things that are good follow you all the days of your life. Way every Christian and yabusuafo ni nyina ho. Omsi omuma wa wodapa. Happy birthday, beautiful Abena Sewa. Enjoy this day. Happy birthday to Sister Ama. Oye businesswoman. Our bro half region. Drobo. Sister Ama, happy birthday to you. Yes, say Nyame say. Onsha onsa no adwuma so. Onyame ema akwatenti apom di wom. Sister Abena, happy birthday to you. And then what would they enjoy your day? On that note, Mami Fasum ni nyina ansi wabra. Emba pa. Eba betuna sina wa hye adwuma nyina e this sports